Hey guys, what's up everyone? So in this video we'll discuss about this problem subarray sum equals k. Given an array of integers and an integer k, you need to find the total number of contiguous subarrays whose sum equals to k. So for this input array with k equals 2, the output is 2. This is because there exist two subarrays. This is the first subarray and this is the second subarray with sum equals 2. So we can solve this problem in O time complexity using Hashmap. So let us see how. So before jumping onto the algorithm, let us first consider this example. So we have been given this example array and we have to find all subarrays whose sum equals 7. So k equals 7 in this case. Now we are maintaining a value called current sum, and current sum at any index I represents sum of all elements from 0th index till that index. So current sum for 4 is 13. It means that sum of all these values is equals to 13. Now let us see one thing. As you can see, the current sum for 8 is 21. So sum of all these elements is equal to 21. Now current sum for 2 is 14. So sum of all these elements is 14. So what I just said is the sum of all these elements is 21 and sum of all these elements is 14. It means that sum of all these elements is equal to 7, correct? And that's what we have to find, the total count of all these subarrays. So this is one of the subarray with count equals 7, that is value equals 7. You can see that this subarray also has a sum of 14, as you can see. So again, this subarray is going to have value 21 minus 14, which is equals to 7. So this is another subarray. So what we are saying is, what we are going to do is we are going to iterate over the array, and at each index, if I have the count of all subarrays with sum equals current sum minus k, then this solves the problem. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to maintain three things: the current sum, which will be equal to 0, the count of subarrays found up till now, and a hash map. And the map will store this thing, that is sum comma count of subarrays find until now with sum equals sum, correct? So let me write the code for this and I'll try to explain it to you while writing the code what I'm doing. So what we are going to do is we are going to maintain a variable called current sum, which is equals to 0. Then we will have a count which is equals to 0. Then we will have a map of integer comma integer, map equals new hash map, and we are going to put a value map dot put 0 comma 1. What this indicates is for sum equals 0 there exists one subarray, which is the empty subarray. So actually we have to do it for considering this case, in case when the subarray is starting from the 0th index, that is from the beginning. So for that case we have to add this thing, that is for sum equals 0 there exists one subarray, which is the empty subarray. Now we will just iterate over this nums array. We will add current value to current sum. Now we will check whether our map contains current sum minus k or not. If it does, we will take this value and we will add to count. Why is that? Why are we doing that? Because in this case, as you can see, the current sum for 8 is 21. The current sum for 5 is 14. So this means that this is one of the subarray with value equals 7, correct? And similarly, the current sum at 2 is 14, current sum at 8 is 14. So this subarray sum is also 7. So what we are doing is at each and every point we are trying to find the count of all subarrays with sum equals current sum minus k. So that's what we did over here. And then we will add in the map dot put for current sum. We will use this method map dot get or default. So in here we will pass current sum comma 0 plus 1. So I guess I'll just return count from here, and I guess that's going to be it. So let me just run the code. Let me submit this as well. So yeah, it got accepted. So I guess that's it from the video. So in case you like this video, you can hit that like button, and you can even subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.